What is nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is the energy that holds together the nuclei of atoms. Atoms are the most simple block that make up matter. Every atom has in its center a very small nucleus. Normally, nuclear energy is stored inside the atoms. However, some atoms are radioactive and send off part of their nuclear energy as radiation. Radiation is given off from the nucleus. Energy is made in two ways: nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. In nuclear fusion, energy is released when atoms are combined or fused together to form a larger atom. This is how the sun produces energy. In nuclear fission, atoms are split into smaller atoms, releasing energy. Nuclear power plants can only use nuclear fission to produce electricity. How does nuclear energy work? Some form of energy creates heat, which turns water into steam. The pressure of the steam turns a generator which produces electricity. Bruce Nuclear Power Plant. Bruce Nuclear Generating Station is a Canadian nuclear power station located on the eastern shore of Lake Huron. It occupies 932 ha of land. In 1982, Bruce 2 was temporarily shut down due to a pressure tube leak. In 1986, a fuel channel failed in Bruce 2 while the reactor was shut down. Some of the fuel elements were swept into the moderator and were difficult to remove. Positives and negatives. Positives. Nuclear energy is a clean energy. Nuclear energy provides a decent amount of power. Nuclear energy is a cheap energy that doesn't create greenhouse gases. No harmful gases emitted. Positives and negatives. Positives. Nuclear energy is a clean energy. Nuclear energy provides a decent amount of power. Nuclear energy is a cheap energy that doesn't create greenhouses. No harmful gases emitted. Negatives. Nuclear power is costly. Nuclear power will not reduce carbon emissions. Nuclear power can blow up. Deadly waste from the power generating process. How does nuclear energy get in your home? It comes over regular power lines just like other electricity that is generated. Interesting facts. In 1942, Ricardo Ituzaga invented the nuclear reactor. The long-term effects of disasters can often spread over thousands of years. With 437 nuclear power plants worldwide, there are bound to be incidents every now and again. Small incidents occur and can be rectified, but when there are large incidents, the impact can be catastrophic. The word nuclear is related to the nucleus of an atom. The nucleus is positively charged and found in the center of an atom. Nuclear power uses fission to create heat and electricity. The US, France, and Japan are the largest producers of nuclear power. Nuclear power provides around 14% of the world's electricity.
Gus
and Jess.